it became known the name of the long-awaited popular iPhone from Apple. The new 4.7-inch iPhone SE 2020 appeared on Apple's website. Illustration by Reuters. There is no doubt that in the coming days Apple will show the world the long-awaited popular iPhone with a 4.7-inch screen. Previously featured under the names iPhone 9 and iPhone SE 2. And so it wasn't so much, but now it's gone completely. She inattentively mentioned the new model on the official website and, apparently, it will be called in a completely different way, iPhone SE 2020. By the way, just yesterday 9 to 5 Mac also announced that the smartphone will be called iPhone SE. It will receive at least 3 colors, white, black and red, and 3 memory configurations, 64, 128 and 256 gigabytes. All the company's stores outside of China are still closed due to the coronavirus pandemic, so you can't buy it anyway. And although the mention of iPhone SE has already been removed from the description, many managed to take screenshots. Recall, at the very beginning of the week, Urban Armor Gear protective cases for the new 4.7-inch iPhone appeared. I don't have to be surprised at the name. At the same time, the mention of the new iPhone SE along with the iPhone 8 once again confirms their affinity. As has been repeatedly reported, the new iPhone SE 2020 should get an old-fashioned iPhone 8 design with a home button and a feeling like the new iPhone 11. In addition, the recent iOS 14 code leak gives good reason to believe that along with a 4.7-inch the 5.5-inch iPhone 9 Plus also debuts. But while there was no other evidence for the existence of a larger model, the announcement of the new iPhone SE 2020 is expected in the coming days. It is possible that the premiere will take place today.